Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Okay lifestyle lovers, so part of having a good lifestyle is treating yourself at least every now and then. So I am here with a bag unboxing and I wanted to share my new bag with you guys. It is, I guess, the it bag of the springtime. Well, I've heard that quite a few times here on YouTube. It's a very popular bag. I have heard that it's kind of been trending on Instagram. I know it's been trending here on YouTube. I will admit I do sometimes follow trends, but I think this was actually a good trend to follow, and it's a very classic and timeless handbag. Now just to tell you a little bit about the bag, the first time I seen it was actually here on YouTube. I seen it on Janae's channel. She has a channel that's pretty much centered around fashion and it's called High Low Luxe. So she was displaying some of her new items and this bag was a part of it in a different color, and when I seen it, I absolutely fell in love with it. So I kind of started doing some research, looking at some reviews, and what I actually did was I called my local store here. It's a Coach bag. I called my local store here and I asked them, did they have the bag? Now, I wanted it in a specific color. I don't think I probably would have made the purchase if it was not in this specific color, because I'm a color girl, as you can see from my top and my glam room. I love color throughout my home and my fashions. I just love color. So when I called the store, she did advise me that they had one bag left and it was in the color that I wanted it in. If this is your first time clicking on my video, then you may not know this about me, but I am one of those people who feel what's meant to be and what's for you is definitely for you. So I was very, very surprised that she had one bag in the color that I actually wanted it in. So they were getting ready to close. It was about 10 minutes before closing time. And she did advise me. She said, we have one bag left, but if you want to go ahead and make a payment over the phone, we can hold it for you. So I did not want to make like an impulse decision. So I said, okay, let me sleep on it and I'll call you back in the morning once you guys open. Because it was just like, it was so quick. And I kind of felt like if that bag is meant for me, it'll be there in the morning. It was there in the morning. Here I am sharing it with you guys. So let's unbox the bag. So if you follow trends, you probably already know what the bag is. But it is the Pillow Coach Tabby in the color green. It's absolutely gorgeous, honey. It is gorgeous. So let's just take a look at the bag. It has gold detail. It has the C right here, and it has a clamp with a longer strap. So you can do it crossbody, and I'll style it for you guys so you can actually see. But this is how it looks in the inside. It has like two areas. And let me get my wallet just to make sure that it'll fit. Okay, so I went and got my wallet out of my purse. So typically I carry two wallets. One with, it's actually a crossbody, but one with a chain in which I have my ID, my debit card, and this is other things that you may not need on a daily basis, insurance cards and stuff like that. So let's see if they both fit. Okay, so I have my Louis Vuitton wallet. It's fitting perfectly. Wow, fits two wallets. And let's see if it fits my phone. Okay, it may not fit the phone. Let's try this. Here it is. It fits two wallets and an iPhone 12 perfectly. And then it has the Coach tag. It feels almost like a pillow. That's why they call it the Pillow Tabby, because it's very fluffy. And I absolutely love this color. It is beautiful. Now I'll tell you another one of the features that attracted me to the bag when I seen it on Janae's channel was she actually had a gold chunky chain. And initially I thought that the chain came with the bag, but it did not. She was using a chain from one of her other bags. So as I did additional research on the bag, there are chains that you can get on Amazon. So I ordered a chain on Amazon, and it's like a big gold or brassy chunky looking chain. I haven't even opened it yet to see it, but let's see. This is it. Yes, honey. Oh my goodness. So the purse, so the short purse strap is actually unhookable, and it has Coach right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it actually has Coach on the side. Oh my God. This chunky chain is very lightweight. It actually looks almost identical to the hardware on the Tabby. So this is pretty much how it look. Oh yes, honey. Oh yes, ma'am. Oh yes, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go in my full-length mirror so I can show you guys some better views of the bag. But I also purchased the leather moisturizer. I believe they had something else, but she advised me that the leather moisturizer has a type of cleaning agent in it. So I believe they had the leather cleaner, but she advised me that if I did not want to purchase both, she would advise me to get the Coach leather moisturizer, and I can also use this on my other leather bags. So I did not purchase the cleaner. I just purchased the leather moisturizer. Okay, so what did I do with the receipt? Okay, so the bag retails at $495. They do have, from what I hear now, they have minis that are a little bit least expensive than this one. And the moisturizer was $12. And also Coach has the option where you can purchase these tabs and get them personalized. So you guys know I had to do it. So I purchased a, where is it? So I actually purchased a cream tag because I thought it would pair very nice with the green. And look what I have. E-Lifestyle. So E-Lifestyle is pretty much the name of my channel. It's the name of my brand. And my tagline is pretty much creating the lifestyle that you want and that you love, whatever that may be. So this represents E-Lifestyle, and of course the E stands for Erica. Oh gosh. Okay, lifestyle lover. So this is how it looks with the personal tag that says it's E-Lifestyle. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. And so if you are interested in this chain, this is the brass color, but I believe it comes in light gold and another kind of gold. But I'll link all of them in the description box if you are interested, because it is interchangeable. So it can be used on other bags, not just this one. But I absolutely love how it just makes it a little funky. You know, this to me says brunch with the girls. But if I was going into the office, then of course I want to be a little bit more professional, a little bit more polished. Then I will go with the chain that actually came with the bag. So I absolutely love it. I believe that the green is sold out everywhere. Now, don't quote me on that, but I couldn't find it. By the time I upload this video, if I can find it anywhere, I will absolutely link it. It comes in cream. It comes in like a pinkish, not a pink such as like my top, but it's kind of, I guess, with more like maybe pinkish, maybe pink kind of like a mix between pink and peach, I guess. And it comes in black, and I think I have seen it in orange. Now, I'm going to wear this throughout the spring and the summer, and if I absolutely love it, then I may possibly consider the black in the fall. But this is my new bag, and I'm absolutely loving it. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because it is a gorgeous honey. So I'm going to go to my full-length mirror. That way I can kind of show you how it looks styled. I do have on like a rainbow skirt with some of the colors in it. It has green, it has pink, and all of that stuff in it. So I think it matches perfectly with the bag. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I have pretty much moved the party to my bedroom because I want to show you how I style my pillow, Coach Tabby. So I still have the chunky chain on it. Currently, what I'm wearing is like a pink crop top. It's really, really old. I do not know where it's from. And I'm pretty much wearing a long broom skirt. This is old as well, but it is made by Vince Camuto. They're known for their shoes, but they do make clothes as well. And it's sold at Dillards. But I still have the chunky chain on it. So this is pretty much how it looks with the chunky chain. And so I'm going to switch out to the crossbody chain. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is pretty much how the tabby looks if you wanted to wear it crossbody. I have it hitting right at my hip. So if you just wanted to have a day where you wanted to just run errands and be hands-free, it definitely works for that as well. And so back to the original strap that it comes with, which I absolutely love. I think this particular look, as far as the strap is concerned, is perfect for the office when you're going into the office. It's perfect for church. I just absolutely love it. So if I was going to wear this skirt to the office, I would actually pair it with a white t-shirt, maybe with a small pocket, and then the Coach Pillow Tabby. Oh yeah, this was an absolute great purchase. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so that's pretty much it for this handbag unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would definitely recommend it, although I have not toted it yet. I do plan to tote it this weekend. I'm actually going to brunch with my girlfriends on Sunday, so I do plan to tote it for the first time. But in my opinion, for the price and the versatile ways that you can wear it to the club if you're a club goer, to church, to work, to run errands, it's very versatile in my opinion. I would suggest it. I don't know if you will be able to get your hands on that color green. You may have to wait for Coach to restock. But in my opinion, that's the color to definitely go with. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, I have a melting pot here on my channel, from vlogs to home decor to a little bit of fashion, a little bit of luxury, unboxing every now and then. I love skincare. So if you are interested in any or all of those things, then consider subscribing before you leave. Other than that, comment below. Let me know what you think of the bag. Even if you don't like it, I would love to know what are your thoughts. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!